In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share your PowerPoint presentation and a video on Zoom step by step. Whether you're hosting an online class, a business meeting, or a webinar, knowing how to properly share your screen in Zoom makes your presentation look professional and smooth. I'll walk you through everything from starting a meeting to selecting your PowerPoint file the right way. Make sure you stick around until the end so you don't miss an important setting that can improve your video playback quality. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Zoom application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once Zoom is open, look at the top right area of the home screen and click on New Meeting. This will instantly launch a fresh meeting session. After the meeting window opens, click on Start if prompted so your meeting fully begins. At this point, you'll see your camera preview in the main Zoom toolbar at the bottom of the screen. This toolbar is where you'll find all the essential controls you need for managing participants, audio, video, and most importantly, screen sharing. Now that your meeting is running, move your cursor to the bottom toolbar and click on the Share button. It may say Share Screen depending on your version of Zoom. When you click this, a new window will pop up showing all the available screens and applications currently open on your computer. This is where you'll choose what you want your audience to see. Before selecting anything, make sure your PowerPoint presentation file is already open on your computer. If it's not open yet, minimize Zoom for a second, open your PowerPoint file, and then return to the Share window. Inside the Share window, you'll see thumbnails of different windows. Look for the thumbnail that shows your PowerPoint presentation. Click on it once to select it. If you're planning to play a video inside your PowerPoint slides, this next step is very important. At the bottom of the Share window, check the box that says Share Sound. This ensures that your audience can hear the audio from your video. If you skip this step, they will see the video but won't hear any sound. You can also enable Optimize for Video Clip if you see that option, which helps make video playback smoother for viewers. After selecting your PowerPoint window and adjusting the sound settings, click the Share button in the bottom right corner of that pop-up window. Zoom will now begin sharing your presentation screen with everyone in the meeting. You can confirm this because you'll see a green border around your shared content and a small floating toolbar at the top of your screen. Now you can start your slideshow in PowerPoint by clicking on Slideshow and then From Beginning, or by pressing F5 on your keyboard. Your audience will now see your slides in full screen mode. If you need to play a video within your PowerPoint, simply click on the video inside the slide as you normally would. Because you enabled Share Sound earlier, participants will be able to hear the video clearly. When you're finished presenting, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click Stop Share. This will end the screen sharing session and return everyone to the normal meeting view. And that's it. That's exactly how you share your PowerPoint presentation and videos on Zoom step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.